Hey there. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up the new Sewtalent 5.1 hoop, how you're going to get your X and your Y set up on the new BAI Mirror M22. I like to take something black and put it inside the hoop before I put it in the machine. That way when the laser hits it, I can find my edges a lot easier. So let me put it in the machine. Then we'll move the camera and show you how we're going to do this. So we've got the hoop set in the machine. As you can see the laser. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the machine. You're going to make sure your embroidery mode is off. Then you're going to go to frame. And if you can see down here, it says add size. So we're going to push on add size. And it's going to give us our options. I don't know if you could see them. Let me see if we can find some better light for you. Right here it has rounded. So we're going to hit rounded and then we're going to hit next. It says press OK to find absolute origin. We're going to press OK. The machine's going to move. And then if you could see on the machine, here, let me take this off of here. Let me take this off of here. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better, huh? There we go. It's got these little arrows here. See those? So then what we're going to do is we're going to find our hoop and we're going to match them up, moving the arrows. There's our laser on the side. Then we're going to press next. It's going to give us the top. We're going to move the arrow over still. Then we're going to move it up. If you could see the little center right here. We're going to move it over till we find the center. Then we're going to move it to the edge. Oh, it disappeared. There it is. Then we're going to hit next. We're going to go back to the center. Again, this is on the BAI Mirror M22 machine. We're going to go back over to the edge, following our laser. Make sure it's on the center. Can you see that? There's the center. Press next. And repeat. Simple as that. Finding the laser. Going over to the center. If you can see that. Next. We have it all set up. You hit confirm. There you go, you're in. So, simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.